Hello, in this video, I will demonstrate how to change the materials on your walls in your stores. To select a wall, press Ctrl and click on the wall. To select multiple walls at once, press Ctrl and Shift and click on the walls you want to select. Once all the walls are selected, hover over the wall material section to reveal the window that includes the available material for the walls. Click on the material chosen to apply on the walls. To scale the material, go to the Texture Tile section. Either enter a value or change by using the arrows. Wall length shows you the length of the wall as it's drawn. Texture X allows you to move the material texture sideways. Texture Y allows you to move the material texture vertically. See you in the next tutorial video.